Hi allesammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss and talk about 8 ways to congratulate someone in Norwegian. Celebrating achievements and milestones is an integral part of any culture. In Norwegian, specific expressions are tailored to different occasions. Here's a handy guide to navigate through these expressions, whether you are in Norway or interacting with a Norwegian friend elsewhere. Gratulere, gratulere, gratulere. Congratulations. This is a general and versatile way to offer congratulations. For example, upon someone winning an award, you could say, Gratulerer med prisen, gratulerer med prisen, gratulerer med prisen. Congratulations on the award. Gratulerer med dagen. Gratulerer med dagen. Gratulerer med dagen. Congratulations on the day. This is predominantly used for birthdays. For example, gratulerer med dagen, Karoline. Gratulerer med dagen, Karoline. Gratulerer med dagen, Karoline. Happy birthday, Karoline. Gratulerer med babyen. Gratulerer med babyen. Gratulerer med babyen. Congratulations on the baby. For welcoming a new baby. For eksempel, gratulerer med babyen. Det er en fantastisk nyhet. Gratulerer med babyen. Det er en fantastisk nyhet. Gratulerer med babyen. Det er en fantastisk nyhet. Congratulations on the baby. That's fantastic news. Gratulerer med bryllupet. Gratulerer med bryllupet. Gratulerer med bryllupet. Congratulations on the wedding. This is used to extend wishes to a newlywed couple. Gratulerer med bryllupet. Ønsker dere alt godt. Gratulerer med bryllupet. Ønsker dere alt godt. Gratulerer med bryllupet. Ønsker dere alt godt. Congratulations on the wedding. Wishing you both the best. Gratulerer med ny jobb. Gratulerer med ny jobb. Gratulerer med ny jobb. Congratulations on the new job. This is ideal when someone starts a new job or gets a promotion. Gratulerer med ny jobb. Dette er en fantastisk mulighet for deg. Gratulerer med ny jobb. Dette er en fantastisk mulighet for deg. Gratulerer med ny jobb. Dette er en fantastisk mulighet for deg. Congratulations on the new job. This is a fantastic opportunity for you. Gratulerer med jubileet. Gratulerer med jubileet. Gratulerer med jubileet. Congratulations on the anniversary. For celebrating milestones, be they work-related or in personal relationships. For example, gratulerer med 10-årsjubileet. Gratulerer med 10-årsjubileet. Gratulerer med 10-årsjubileet. Congratulations on the 10-year anniversary. Gratulerer så mye. Gratulerer så mye. Gratulerer så mye. Congratulations so much. An expression that carries more emphasis, great for truly special occasions. For example, gratulerer så mye med forlovelsen. Gratulerer så mye med forlovelsen. Gratulerer så mye med forlovelsen. Congratulations so much on the engagement. Godt gjort. Godt gjort. Godt gjort. Well done. This is a way to praise someone's efforts or achievements. After someone runs a marathon, you could say, godt gjort. Godt gjort. Godt gjort. Well done. Navigating the nuances of congratulatory phrases in Norwegian can be a delightful experience. The language, rich in its expressions, offers varied ways to acknowledge and celebrate the special moments in people's lives. With our guide today, you will be well equipped to extend heartfelt congratulations in genuine Norwegian style. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcripts, one-on-one private classes, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.